ground is shaking.
Maybe it's my stomach.
Something has rumbling under the sea, maybe a volcano. Let's go find out, kids. So what even is a volcano?
Maybe a giant fire-breathing mountain.
A volcano is an opening in the earth where melted rock, called magma, can escape. Deep underground, it's extremely hot, over 1,000 degrees. Rocks melt into magma. When it finds a way out, it becomes lava. Magma inside, lava outside. The more gas and heat, the bigger the boom.
Like me after tacos.
When magma gets trapped, it pushes and pushes until boom. That's called an eruption. Pressure and gas escape through the crater.
What do we call melted rock under the ground? Magma. To what's it called when it comes out? Lava. What makes volcanoes erupt? Pressure and gas.
When gases inside the magma can't escape, they build pressure and then boom, like shaking a soda can. First, shield volcano, gentle, wide, slow lava flows. Second, cone volcano, tall and explosive. Third, underwater volcano, hidden below the ocean. When hot lava meets cold water, it turns into new rock, so the ocean is always building itself. Let's see who has been paying attention. Question 1, volcanoes only exist on land. Nope, they exist underwater too. Question 2, lava is melted cheese.
Oh, I wish.
It's melted rock, silly. Question 3, eruptions can make new islands. True. So remember, kids, volcanoes may look scary, but they are nature's way of creating new worlds. Stay curious, stay bubbly, and keep learning. See you next time.